You're in a crash, you're at the scene, you're thinking to yourself, what should I say or what should I not say? I'm Jim Gordon at Bears and Gordon. Let me talk to you about what you should do at a crash scene. Number one of the biggest things I see in personal injury cases is an quote admission by my client that they were okay at the scene. That is very common. Someone comes up to you at the scene and says, are you doing okay? Most people will say I'm doing okay as long as they're not bleeding out, they're not laying on the ground with a broken bone or something like that. Even when they're in pain, they happen to say, I'm doing okay. The reality is you should probably be more honest than that and say, my neck is sore, my back is sore, whatever problems you're having. So that admission of you're okay that's going to be used against you is not used against you later on. Another issue that I see at accident scenes is talking to the police. You should be honest with the police at the crash scene. But people tend to speculate what happened in a crash and they try to recreate what happened in a crash. You're better off telling them exactly what you think happened and not guess what other vehicles were doing, what other speeds were, what other witnesses may have been doing. Just tell them exactly what you saw and only what you saw. People tend to put a lot of speculation into their statements to the police, and that is not helpful. Another thing I would say that's a recommendation at a crash scene is find out what the other witnesses are saying and talk to them. But more importantly, get their information, because the police are not gathering it most of the time. If they think this is an open and shut case, the police are just going to do the report, be done with it, move on to the next report. But sometimes that report is not done well, it's missing some information, and that witness has vital information that if you had spent the 5 minutes to collect their information or get their phone number or anything, that would have been helpful.